Michael Lee, Esquire, Pro Bono Volunteer. Law Office of Michael Lee and Executive Director and Supervising Attorney, Philadelphia Lawyers for Social Equity. Mike Lee walks the talk. Through his practice and pro bono work, Mike seeks justice and fairness while giving a voice to those whose voices are ignored. He is the embodiment of a pro bono lawyer who went to law school to make a difference, and he is making a difference in the lives of people seeking to rebuild their lives. Born and raised in Philadelphia, Mike Lee is a graduate of Drexel Law School's inaugural graduating class. He is the sole practitioner of his own law firm, the Law Office of Michael Lee, which he established shortly after graduation. His practice is a community action-oriented law firm specializing in criminal defense, criminal records, forfeiture proceedings, dispute resolution, and nonprofit corporation formation and operations. Mike Lee is also the co-founder of Philadelphia Lawyers for Social Equity. As the executive director and supervising attorney of the organization, Mike leads a citywide Criminal Records Expungement Project, which holds monthly free clinics around the Philadelphia area and has helped thousands of residents get incorrect or outdated information removed from arrest and conviction records. The story plays out over and over. A person may have been charged with a serious crime and later convicted of a much lesser crime. Or maybe the charge remains on the record but was never officially resolved. For some offenses, a person may have participated in a diversionary program, which was to result in the removal of the charges from their record. An old summary conviction which is eligible for expungement still shows up. All the time, Pennsylvanians lose out on jobs, public benefits, housing, and even college admission because of these records. Through his work in the Criminal Record Expungement Project, Attorney Lee provides free direct legal service to remove these kinds of records of low-income people and to increase chances to get that job, housing, or other benefits. He supervises attorneys and law students, coordinates clinic visits with partner locations, organizes the trial calendar, and advocates for criminal record reform. As a supervising attorney for the Expungement Project, Mike has presented more than 3,000 expungement and partial expungement petitions in the Court of Common Pleas. He conducts community events to educate the public on the expungement process and to advocate for criminal record policy reform. He is also a frequent faculty presenter for continuing legal education workshops on expungement law in Pennsylvania. The genesis for the Expungement Project lies in conversations he had within the community. Mike came to realize the criminal and civil harms created by arrest records and by erroneous conviction records. He realized that an expungement is an empowering first step toward helping someone achieve independence and become a productive member of society. In addition to providing direct legal aid, Mike advocates for criminal record reform. Mr. Lee is currently the chair of the National Lawyers Guild Committee on Democratic Communications. He was also one of 11 Pennsylvania lawyers invited to the 2013-2014 class of the Pennsylvania Bar Association's Bar Leadership Institute, which prepares young lawyers for future leadership opportunities within the State Bar Association. In recognition of his excellent work in providing justice and restoring hope for clients seeking a new start, the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network presents Mike Lee with the 2015 Excellence Award.